Welcome back to the lecture series for Computer Science Psc lecture exams in Polytechnic and Government Engineering College for Assistant Professor. Okay, and sorry for being late. And this video is for the Monday's section. According to the timetable, it's for the Monday. Monday, we already planned for Module 6, that is Maths, Basic Mechanical Engineering, Basic Civil Engineering, Basic Electrical and Electronics. Okay, so today we are starting with Basic Civil Engineering. And first question: stones are obtained from rocks that are made up of option A ores, option B minerals, option C chemical compounds, option D crystals. Try to remember as much as possible and try to read more of the civil engineering basics textbooks which we have studied in the first year of BTech. Okay, and it's very easy to read that civil engineering books. Nothing more what we have to say, nothing more complex is there to read and study for civil engineering. Okay, and we'll get 5 marks easily from this area. So coming to the questions: stones are obtained from rocks that are made up of option A ores, option B minerals, option C chemical compounds, option D crystals. Correct option, answer B, minerals. Okay, and the rocks are made up of minerals. They can be monomineralic, that is single mineral, or polymineralic, more than one mineral. You can get the questions from this side also. You may get the questions from this side also. Okay, rocks are made up of minerals. They can be monomineralic, that is single mineral, or polymineralic, that is more than one mineral. Okay, moving on to next question. Question 2: which one of the following is not a classification of stones? Option A, physical classification, option B, mineralogical classification, option C, chemical classification, option D, practical classification. Which one of the following is not a classification of stones? Think about it. The correct option is option B, mineralogical classification. So coming to the classification of stones, which are physical based on the structure, and chemical based on chemical composition, and practical based on usage, and geological based on the mode of origin. Okay, read it again. Physical based on the structure of the stones, chemical based on the chemical composition of the stones, and practical is based on the usage of the stone, how we using. Geological is based on the mode of origin, and mineralogical classification is not a means of classifying stones in general. We may assume that it might be a classification, but it is a chemical classification, is what based on chemical composition. We might mislead this as a mineralogical classification is based on chemical composition. There might be a chance, but the answer is chemical classification is based on chemical composition. Mineralogical classification is not a means of classifying stones, and we have to remember that. We might mistake this mineralogical classification as chemical classification. It's not that. It's based on nothing. Its chemical classification is based on chemical composition, not mineralogical classification. Okay, and the answer is mineralogical classification. Thank you.